Tired of cords? Nail it wirelessly. Hey DIY warriors and tool enthusiasts! Today I've got a game changer for you. The WORX 20V Power Share Cordless 1 Pro 4 Impact Driver. But wait, don't click away. In just 3 seconds, I'm going to show you why you need this in your toolbox. Picture this: no more tangled cords or searching for outlets in impossible places. The WORX cordless convenience means freedom at your fingertips, tackling projects in the tightest spots with ease. And for those of you already in the WORX family, the Power Share system lets you use the same battery across all your tools. Genius, right? Oh, and swapping bits, easy peasy with a 1-to-4 quick release chuck. Say goodbye to wasting time fiddling with extra tools. Plus, the anti-ejection battery design keeps it all together, minimizing those annoying interruptions mid-project. Got a stubborn screw? No problem. Just dial in the variable speed control to unleash enough torque to handle the toughest fasteners. It's a powerhouse in your palm. Compact, lightweight, with an LED work light that'll make working in dim spots a total breeze. This trusty sidekick is rugged and ready, making it perfect for everything from quick home fixes to ambitious DIY projects. So, tools down. Click the link in the description to bring your WORX game to the next level. Don't miss out.